Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying account control and immediate access. Sign into the correct Google account and confirm two-step verification is enabled. Once done, choose a desktop browser for full settings. Make sure to open Calendar and go to Settings, then Calendars or Event Settings. You need to identify which calendars are shared publicly or with groups so you can change permissions. Next, locate the calendar name, click its three-dot menu, and pick Settings and Sharing. This is where privacy adjustments start. Now you focus on the middle steps, precise permission edits. You will turn off any make available to public toggles and the organization-wide visibility. This prevents calendar-wide leaks. Then, review the Share with Specific People list, change entries to see only free/busy when necessary, or remove accounts you no longer trust. Once you alter each entry, click Save or Done and repeat for every calendar you own. These targeted changes keep event details private while retaining scheduling functionality. Finish by locking down event-level visibility and verifying connected apps. You should open a representative event and set visibility to private for sensitive entries, then confirm mobile devices sync those updated settings. Make sure third-party apps and calendar integrations only have necessary scopes. Revoke any unnecessary access in Google account right arrow security. If something goes wrong, check for remaining shared links or delegated access. Remove, regenerate, or re-invite with strict permissions. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.